If you want to know what comes with your cold therapy machine, you came to the right spot. We're going to show you what comes in the box when you get your cold therapy machine. Hi, it's Steve from MyColdTherapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Patients are always asking us what comes in the box. How do I know I'm getting the right things? Michelle, please show us what comes in the box.
Today we're going to show you what's inside the box for the Omni Ice Dynamic Cold and Compression Therapy System. Once you get your box, go ahead and open it up. So you should have a pad inside with your system, and the pad will be for whatever body part you're treating. Once you've made sure that's inside, go ahead and pull out your cooler. You're going to want to open up your cooler, and inside you should have your hose to connect the cooler to your pad. You should have the drainage connector. You should have your power supply, and you should have a user manual. Once you've made sure that everything is inside your system, you're ready to start your therapy.
Now that you know what comes with your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.